to challenge 5 of our Coding to Christmas series, where we give you a new little programming challenge each day running up to Christmas. Today's question, we'll just move across to it, was to write a script that asks the user to enter 2 different numbers. If the total of those 2 numbers is less than 25, we want to print out a message, otherwise we print out a different message. So the first thing that we need to do to answer this is to get the input from the user. So we know that these are just going to be numbers. So if I just call the variable number_1, we'll then use the input statement and we'll say we'll enter a number. That'll allow them to enter a number. We also need a second number. So we'll put that in. Again, we'll just ask the question we want to. So enter a second number. Let them do that. So since, once again, we are getting the user to input a number, we need to cast this to be an integer. So we'll just wrap that input statement to cast it as an int. So what we could do here, we could create another variable called total to actually do the calculation, but we did that on the previous challenge. So this time I might just show you doing it in sort of line. So I could say in our if statement here, number1 plus number2, if that is less than 25, colon at the end of that line, new line we indent, and then we're going to have our print statement. So if it's less than 25, we want to print out the message Happy Holidays. And then finally, if it's greater than 25 or equal to 25, we want to print out another message. In this case, it's bar humbug. So let's just see now if this is fully working. So we'll hit that run button, we'll enter a number. So I just do 1 and 2, so that would equal 3, which is definitely less than 25. We get the message Happy Holidays. Run that again. This time I'll do 20 plus 10. We get bar humbug. So that's definitely working there. So let's check a edge case. What happens when we get actually 25? So 20 plus 5 bar humbug, because it has to be less than 25, which then would mean if we put in 24, so 20 plus 4, we get the Happy Holidays. So quite a similar puzzle to the one from challenge 4, but again, it's just getting you used to having the user input some data, cast it to a different value or to a different data type, and then obviously using this if and else statement to print out a different message depending on what the user has put. So that's everything for challenge 5. We will see you again for challenge 6 tomorrow morning at 9 AM. See you soon. Bye.